Look at a harsh, salt-flat ecosystem. It is muddy, highly toxic, and completely bleak. And yet, stepping directly through the center of it is a brilliant shock of neon pink. But that iconic color has a delayed start. As you can see in this photograph, flamingos are born completely devoid of color. They begin life in a low-resolution mode, wrapped in dull gray down that keeps them hidden from predators. Unlike a cardinal or a parrot that can naturally produce its own feather pigments, a flamingo manufactures exactly zero pink dye. They have to download all of their colors straight from their environment. It is an entirely diet-dependent process. How exactly does this bird extract vibrant, glowing paint from a muddy, high-salinity puddle? Being pink is a temporary chemical achievement. If a flamingo stops eating its specific high-energy diet, that brilliant hue slowly bleaches out, leaving behind a pale white ghost. They must actively maintain their color every single day to survive. The supply chain starts here. These shallow, extra salty lakes are constantly pounded by extreme sunlight. To survive that harsh radiation, microscopic cyanobacteria, shown here swirling on the water's surface, mass-produce protective organic pigments called carotenoids. The algae essentially wear these molecules as a heavy-duty natural sunscreen. Those algae are then eaten by tiny crustaceans. As this macro photograph reveals, a brine shrimp's body stores those pigments, turning the tiny creature into a highly concentrated biological delivery drone packed with raw color. Nature routinely moves this specific pigment around the food chain. Wild salmon achieve their distinct crystal orange meat by eating the exact same shrimp. The environmental ingredients are universal, but the flamingo has evolved to be the most efficient and spectacular harvester of these molecules on the planet. Look closely at this extreme close-up of a flamingo's beak. Those fine, glassy comb structures are called lamellae. By turning its head upside down and pumping its tongue, the bird creates a natural liquid filter, catching thousands of pigment-rich shrimp out of the mud. Once swallowed, the raw carotenoids travel straight to the bird's internal chemical laboratory, the liver. Here, the liver introduces oxygen to the raw material. This oxidation process breaks down dull carotenes and upgrades them into highly intense, concentrated pink and orange pigments. This refined liquid color gets pumped through the bloodstream directly into the keratin fibers of new feathers, locking the neon glow solidly in place. They even apply a topical topcoat. Flamingos produce a carotenoid-rich preen oil near their tail. When they rub this oil over their feathers, they are essentially applying a fresh coat of glossy, waterproof makeup. From mechanically capturing microscopic shrimp to oxidizing raw molecules, the bird operates as a specialized chemical refining facility. But achieving that neon look comes with a massive cost. Filtering 20 liters of muddy water every day demands tremendous amounts of energy. Because the color is so physically taxing to accumulate, it acts as an honest biological signal. A brightly saturated flamingo is proving to the entire flock that its immune system and food-finding skills are operating at peak efficiency. You cannot fake a healthy pink. During their synchronized mating dances, the flock relies completely on this visual data. The birds look for the deepest pink feathers to identify the strongest partners, ensuring they mate with the most capable providers. And those top-tier parents immediately pay the price. Flamingos produce a high-protein liquid in their throats called crop milk, packed with their stored carotenoids. As they pump these stored fats and pigments into their new chicks, the parents drain their internal supply. Over just a few weeks of feeding, a vibrant adult will sacrifice its color, fading into a pale, exhausted white. That iconic pink is a direct reflection of a flamingo's vitality. It is a visible currency of survival, exhausting to earn, impossible to fake, and entirely surrendered to give the next generation their own colorful start.